Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Remove wet latex paint by scraping gently with a dull knife or credit card to lift excess. Once done, blot with paper towels. Press, don't rub, moving from the stain edge toward the center to avoid spreading. Make a mild cleaning solution of 1 teaspoon dish soap in 1 cup lukewarm water and apply with a clean cloth. Blot repeatedly to emulsify paint. You're removing as much as possible before solvents. This reduces staining and shortens later work. You move to targeted solvents after the soap step. Test 70% isopropyl alcohol or acetone in a hidden spot to confirm color fastness. Wait a minute to check. If safe, apply a small amount to a white cloth and blot the paint. Transfer loosened paint to the cloth and fold it to a clean face often. For set edges, gently agitate with a soft brush to lift particles into solution. Make sure to suction or vacuum moisture and residue as you progress so you don't redeposit. You finish by rinsing the cleaned area with plain water and blotting until cloths show no residue. Make sure to dry thoroughly with fans or a hair dryer on low. If paint has already dried, apply an ice pack to harden, then chip away carefully, or spot treat tiny remaining bits with acetone after a patch test. You're breaking the film and dissolving binder. If fibers stay stained or backing is damaged, consider replacing the carpet pad or calling a professional cleaner for restorative methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.